In difficult times like the ones we're facing now, it's more important than ever that we unite as a community and we uplift each other and make sure we're all having our voices heard.
We're all willing to work together for each other and lift each other up when we really need it.
When you have unity and when you have people coming together for a common goal and a common purpose, it's just simple teamwork. Everybody wins. And that's how everything should be.
Every voice, every mind, every person, every culture, every way of life, every country, everywhere around the world, their minds and their experiences matter.
There really is no community without unity, and there's no unity without a community to bring together and unify. So it's so important that we're celebrating our communities and unity within our communities, bringing people together. It's so important.
I'd say it's people who all have something they're really passionate about and coming together to lift other people up when they really need it.
Unity in the community is about supporting each other and lifting each other up through our hard times, but then celebrating our successes at the end of the day, because we all have something to be proud of.
As an actor, I'm an artist surrounded by artists. Art is a service to humanity and to the world around us. But I don't limit that to just art. Everybody does their own actions in the world to bring unity, to bring community to the world.
Everyone has something in common. No matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what you do, everyone has something in common. So we can have 1,000 communities, but at the end of the day, we're all one community, we're all one people.
We all have a place in this world. And it's up to us to maintain that teamwork and to keep rising even when people are still trying to keep you down. Still we rise, and we always will.